Holy shit. Why didn't he wait till he was done? I missed all of it. I wasn't recording. You got to do another one.
Right here?
Yeah. See, my instigating works. Holy shit. That was pretty good.
Hey, you're still there, Nate! Woo! I thought you died! I told you. Do one. He's still got it in ya?
He's still got it in. Alright, we're about to see the best burnout of the entire show here. Light them up! Yeah! Oh! That was better than mine! Oh, that's how you get the left tire to spin. It's gonna blow. He got those tires from a junkyard today.
Yeah.
Guess we're getting like round 2 or 3 here.
Right there. Perfect. Oh yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, we got a car coming. Damn it. Back in the day, whenever we went to the car meet, I used to roast the tires off this baby.
Dump it! Don't be a wimp! I want to see
it! Hey, shut up. You're making fun of me because this is my dream car. Alright, we can go home now. That's all I wanted to see. The tire's flat. If you want in the water, you're good right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
I don't even know if it's good with that.
Do you have traction off? I know they do them. Hold the button once and then hold it again for like 10 seconds. This is Christiana's burnout school. I told him how to shut it off. No, everyone thank me for showing him how to shut that off. Uh-huh. He's gonna go home. Yeah, he's just gonna roast him off.
Light him up, buddy.
Don't take out the fence.
You're good right there. Oh, that was almost bad. We're all sitting here scared for this guy's life.
Yes, I am.
I'm scared for him too. I know you hit that water. I'm ready for this to be over. This is probably going to be the one to blow that out. Unless he puts it in reverse and tries to spin the left one.
Good. All right, center.
There we go. I didn't hear any limiter. Good. That thing's snappy for what it is. Oh yeah, light them up. She goes, no. So if you guys have been subscribed to the channel, you're gonna recognize the Cutlass at my car meet, and I've gotten a lot of shit because of this car. Hopefully we're in for a good one. Oh yeah, always a good one. Are we getting a wheelie? What are we getting here?
Come on.
We're getting a burnout. Guys, just look at this. The burnout sign's facing the wrong way. You don't need people going into the fence. There we go. Oh, I'm missing one. Straight clutch. Straight clutch. Yeah. Literally in the process of it. Those people are like in the way.
What the fuck are they doing?
I don't know. We've been doing it all wrong. These people down here know how to do burnouts. You're breaking my tailgate.
Oh, something fucking strong.
Yeah. This is the last one, he said. We're doing a pretty good job on the road here. All this smoke from Canada, guys, I don't know. Might have to be getting CY automotive a lung transplant. Smoking from the engine a little bit. So much for just one more. Yeah, guys, smoke from Canada's fires, like, it's really bad out here in Pennsylvania, as you can see. Low visibility, I can't even see anything out here. If we step to the left, we can see a little bit. Oh, there's the car. Oh, Bolvin's gone. Oh, God. We need to come to the Antiglow more often.
God bless America!
Sick drift, dude. We might get up here by the time it goes. Oh. Through 2 gears, damn. All right, that's damn near all the cars here, so we're gonna head out. We'll get a shot of the road. They did pretty good.
Oh my God, I laughed so hard.
Yeah, that's about the video. As you can see, this whole alley was filled up. It's all emptied out. Last one's here. Dedication. How about it, eh? Yeah, that's the road. That's the burnout sign. It was a pretty good day. Hope you guys enjoyed this. See you in the next one.